Captain Jack Scrapper here. Before I forget, please like and subscribe. It's alright. I found a place that wasn't too windy, but still quite cold. I'm halfway in between Cedar Springs and Truthant. I am on Yorick Street, which is the first street north of 18 Mile. So I've got about 5-6 more miles so I can get into Cedar, stop at the store and pick up some groceries that Holly asked for. Red and green pepper, I don't know what else. It's on my list. I know we need butter and bread. But anyways, I've been looking. I can barely hear some chorus frogs off in the direction that you're looking right now. And obviously there's other birds. I heard some of those sand cranes. And it's just a lot of wildlife around here. Mostly birds, but I do hear some chorus frogs. And I hear some tree frogs off in that direction. Barely hear them. They have a lot deeper, almost not guttural, but a little bit deeper noise. Okay, mateys, I've been 5 days now trying to find a good place to hear some of the wildlife. So, today is the 23rd of March. They're actually predicting we may get snow this weekend. It's supposed to be in the 30s the next few days. Oh well, I guess I'll be scrapping in the rain and snow. My spirits are up though. I so enjoy getting out where it's quiet and all you hear is nature. Although I do hear some traffic in the distance. Okay, mateys, fair winds and smiles, and may God bless.